Okay, guys, in this video, I'm going to be looking at the back tests of the crypto bots. So I recently shared the forward testing of the crypto bots, which I'm going to show you right here. But we're going to go through the 13 bots that make up the portfolio. I'm not going to share this exact strategy. I can't do that for a couple reasons, but just to show you the total P&L live. I put it on about 60 days ago, and you can see it's made the total profit is around 3,000. It's $3,700, about $3,680. So I am sharing updates maybe once a month in the Discord, and this isn't just to show you, hey, it's not just a back test. We're putting our money where my mouth is. So there's 13 bots that make up the strategy. And the data goes back 7 years. It goes back to 2018. Not all the bots trade all the years. So let's start with bot one. Here we have equity curve and ticker adjusted equity curve. So ticker adjusted equity curve, the idea is what is the actual drawdown given the amount of risk? So here we can see it was up 40% to down 60%, which is real bad. However, if you trade with reduced risk, it is the max drawdown was around 20% here, and then it's ended this period up here at up 60%. So this one pretty volatile, but yeah, it looks like these lines converge at some point. So bot one is showing in 7 years a 60% return for a 20% max drawdown, which is not particularly good. It's not terrible, but I mean, if it's not amazing. So this one, I guess if you combine them together, it's more impressive. I also might not be understanding it correctly. So here, this one, bot two. This is a perpetual futures bot. We only have data for the last 5 years. Bot two, it looks like here it had maybe a 30% drawdown for a 40% return. Also, maybe not the most amazing thing, but the thing is when you combine 13 bots together, I mean, this one looks way better. Bot number three, let's go. It's hard to tell what the drawdown on this is, but this one is showing it's up. This is percentage gain, 800%. With looks like it's hard to tell what the drawdown is. I'm gonna ask him or my dev to say what the max draw or like plot the drawdown. But bot three looks much better than bots one and two, and I believe it's bot three and bot seven that made most of the money so far. So bot three and bot seven are two of the strongest bots. I believe bot three is trading funding data, which I've talked about in depth in other videos, which I'm not going to do. But bot three looks good. Let's look at bot four. Bot four is kind of silly. Um, this one looks like it really benefits from these massive pumps in the market. I know that the data here 5 years ago is what, 2020, 2021. So had a big move, gave it all back, but then has had some pretty sharp up and downs. But here's bot four. It looks like, just from what I can tell, it doesn't do great during major bear periods. So bot four, I'm in some bot four trades right now. I don't really love it, but it's all good. Let's look at bot five. How does it go to negative 100 for ticker adjusted? Well, the idea with ticker adjusted equity curve is um, where we trade over time, there's more and more coins. So you have to take into account that there's new coins and risk less per coin. But bot 5 looks pretty good. It looks like the drawdown, it's hard to tell, is maybe 20% for a 400% return. I'm not entirely sure why some of these weaker bots are even on. Okay, that's bot 5. Now bot 6. Bot 6 looks pretty good. Barely drew down at all to be up about 100%. And it doesn't look like this one trades very much. This one hasn't really traded since I've started, but it did really well on that rally that happened there. Oops, I skipped bot 7. Let's look at bot 7. So bot 7, like I said, this is one of the ones that has done the best so far. It looks like as far as the equity curve, I see the Tigger adjusted, there's more risk on it. But this one's hardly drawn down at all and is up 500%, which is, you can see it's pretty wild, the movement. Some sharp ups and downs. You could probably chart this and try to trade that. But bot 7, I think it's spot CVD divergence or funding. Let's look at bot 8. Bot 8 looks crazy. It went up 500% and then gave it all back. And then is up 400% again. Okay. And then we have bot 9. This one looks pretty good. It's just more gradual up. And then we're going to start to get into the Bitcoin bots. Bot 10. Bot 10 looks pretty good. This one, I'm guessing it doesn't trade because there's moving average filters. So for instance, it might not have traded during this drawdown, but bot 10 looks pretty cool. Okay, so this one, now we're getting into the Bitcoin only bots. So some of the bots trade just Bitcoin, not every other coin. This one looks pretty good. I mean, the drawdowns are a lot less severe than what we see with buy and hold on Bitcoin. Let's look at bot number 12. This is another Bitcoin bot. You can see the 2020 move, maybe 2021 here. And the flat lines are moving average filters. So I know that this flat line area is 2022. It didn't really take trades. That one looks really good. This looks better than just buy and hold to me. Even it says, oh, well, it's only up 25% here. Well, it only drew down at most. On this one, less than 5%. And from the beginning, only a couple percent. So that looks really good. And the last one is, I believe this is a dip buy trade on Bitcoin, bot 13. So they're all combined together and they're given different risk. Like bots 3 and 7 trade with much bigger risk. They're some of the better ones. And then also the Bitcoin only bots trade with more risk. Some of the lesser bots, like bot 1 doesn't look good at all to me, but I also know that it trades tiny size. Same with bot 2, yeah. 4, 6. My concern with 6 is that it's maybe, I mean, this is the thing about bot 6 is he developed this before this insane move happened, and he actually traded it and made money in his account with this move. But I don't know that I expect more of that. Bot 3 and bot 7 are a lot based on my ideas, so I really like that. A bot 8 looks crazy. Anyways, it's not for sale. It will be sometime later this year. If you're interested, there's a link below where you can sign up for updates. But if you're already in the MTP Discord and the email for that, then you're probably gonna get emails. You're gonna get emails. So yeah, let me know what you think and look forward to seeing you on the other side. And I'll tell you what I really like is it just trading for me. That's quite nice. Anyways, peace.